Hello. I wanted to come on to give you a little bit of help with navigating Blackboard because a few people had questions, so I don't want to leave you wondering what to do. So I have our syllabus here, and I'm going to go into learning activities, which is here, and into week 1 through 4. And I'll turn the editing mode off so I look like your section, what you see. So here you have the agenda, and underneath is the discussion board. And then there are some resources, the 5 canons, the public speaking anxiety tips, the 5 basic public speaking tips, President Obama's speech, just as an example of an effective speech, and Steve Harvey's emotional tribute to his mom. But what you're going to be clicking on would be discussion board. Then you click to launch, and there you can see several people have posted. So I'm going to open one of them, and they have their discussion there. And I'd like for you to reply to 2 folks, so you can just go ahead and click and write your reply. And that would be it, and submit it when you're done. So that's how you get into discussion board. Now you can see here there is another link to discussions, and there's actually a discussion board tutorial. So this will give you even more information, but I wanted to come up personally to just update you and say hello and show you with the screen from our class. So that is what you do. You can access it through discussion board, but my preference is that you go into the weekly folder and that you click on discussion board, you click on click to launch, and then you create a new thread and you write your discussion board and submit at the end. I hope this is helpful to you, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Thank you.